Hello friends, this is Anand Harsh from Jodhpur. Once again, I'm with you with a new video lecture on Oracle 10G based on the logical operators provided by Oracle 10G for the uses of SQL. So, what the term logical operators mean? The logical operators are used to combine the relational expressions. Okay, so the logical operators are used to combine the relational expression. Now the question here is what the relational expressions and what the relational operators are. So relational operators are here less than, greater than, less than, equals to, sorry, less than, equals to, greater than, equals to, or equals to, double equals to in the C language and other languages, but here in Oracle or SQL, only a single equals to is used for equivalence operator, and not equals to, that is using this. Um, okay, so these are relational operators, are those operators which uh, are used to compare two operands value, like if we can test a is greater than b or not, yes or not. So these are giving us a true or false value. So if we have to test more than one or two expressions that are relational, we must have to combine them by the logical operators. So there are three logical operators. One is and, the second one is or, and third one is not. We are familiar with the and operation. That means if we are applying the AND operation on two relational expressions, then both the relational expression must be true, then and only then the result will be true. Okay, so that is the condition with the AND operator. And now what OR says, uh, if the OR operator is applied on two or relational expressions, then um, if they are combined with OR operator, then from both any one is true, anyone is true, then the whole expression will result in. Okay, so both the expressions, if true, then the expression is true, and either from one, either from first expression or second expression is true, then the uh, result will be true. So not is just an opposite of any expression. That means if we are applying not and the expression's result is true, then not will interchange that result to false. Let us consider these with the terminal and with the help of our inbuilt tables. So I'm let you to the terminal where I am connecting with the server already. Now let us see the table. So let's start from employee master. Okay, this is our this table. So it will help us to take decisions on quick um, and quick times. Okay, so today we are considering the operators, that is logical operators. So logical operators. So uh, I am applying. So I'm resizing the screen so that you can uh, view all the happenings on my screen in well manner. Okay, so you know all the results. Okay, so I have to find out the um, records which have the employee city, either Jodhpur or Jaisalmer. Okay, so select star from employee master, where each city equals to Jodhpur. Okay, and we also want to display those records which are from Jaisalmer. Okay, so we are applying here the or relation all logical operator. So each city equals to Jaisalmer. Okay, so now you can see here the E-city equals to Jodhpur is a one expression, one relational expression, and E-city equals to Jaisalmer is the second expression, and both are combined by the OR operator. Either from uh, either from these expressions, any one of condition that is true, that means E-city equals to Jodhpur or Jaisalmer, that will become our answer and will display it on the screen. So now all the uh, result, all the cities except from Jodhpur or Jaisalmer are discarded, and Jodhpur and Jaisalmer are only displayed on our screen. So if we are applying AND operator here, let us take an example with the same query, and we are applying the condition here where E city equals to Jodhpur and E city equals to Jaisalmer. We all know that only one record have a city that is either Jodhpur, Jaipur, Bikaner, Jalore, or Jaisalmer. But there cannot be any kind of situation where a record have different cities in a single record. So this condition is not going to be true, because either one condition is false, so no rows are selected. Besides this, we can try it in a different way. Select star from employee master. Okay, so we are finding out. Select star from employee master, where E age greater than equals to 27, and E age less than equals to 32. Okay, so now we have two logical expressions: age greater than equals to 27 and age less than equals to 32. All the records which are true in these both relational expressions will become displayed on our screen. So we have four records which match this condition. That means 27, that is equals to 27, and that is less than 32. The second one is 32, which is equals to 32 and is greater than 27. I'm sorry for the disturbance. 27 and 32. Okay, the four records will be displayed. So this expression is true, and this expression is also true. Then only the result will be. So the AND operator is completed and the OR operator is completed. Now the turn here is to display the logical operator NOT. So one more thing here I have to share with you, that if we have the range of numbers, like we have to find out the records which are from 20 which are in between the range of 27 to 32. We are write down this query like E age greater than equals to 27 and E age less than equals to 32. We can rewrite this same query using the employee master, where E age between keyword between clause between 27 and 32. Okay, so the above query can be substituted by the between clause, and must have to provide the starting range and the ending range. So the results will be the same, and uh, between will be the answer or substitution of the and logical operator. Okay, so it must be a number if you are using a between clause to find out the range searching. Okay, so all the range start from 27, including 27 and 32 are played on our. So now we are also considering a much more important clause, that is in clause. Okay, so let's take some records from our table. Employee, master, we have these records in our hand. So select start from employee master, where e city equals to Jodhpur, or E city equals to Bikaner, or E city equals to Jalo. Okay, so we have here three logical expressions, where E city equals to Jodhpur, Bikaner, and Jalo. Which we are combined together with the OR operator. So all the records from Jodhpur, Bikaner, and Jalore are displayed in our terminal. So this query can be substituted using the in clause. How it is possible? Let us see. Select star from employee uh, employee underscore master. This is our table's name. Where e city in. So in here is used using the bracket, and all the values are provided uh, one by one, separated by a comma operator. Bikaner, Bikaner, and the other one is Jalo, Jalo. Okay, so now you can see the results are same. So we are not going to use the OR operator multiple times, and we are not going to rewrite the ECT, that is the field name. We just specify the field name only a single time, and with the use of in clause we are including all the cities which we have to find out with the OR operator. So the query will shows those records which are from Jodhpur, Bikaner, and Jalo. Let us see if a situation arises. Um, I'm very sorry for this disturbance. If a situation is arises like we have to find out those records which are not from Jodhpur, Bikaner, and Jalo, except from Jodhpur, Bikaner, and Jalo. So we are using the same query, but we are applying the logical not operator in front of in clause. So all the records besides the Jodhpur, Bikaner, and Jaipur are displayed now. That is Jaipur and Jaisalmer. So I think I am concluding this chapter, this video lecture, with the a and or and not operators, including with the between clause and in clause. Uh, thank you a lot. I hope this video will help you more to research and development with the Oracle 10G Express edition. Please subscribe my channel and do like my videos, and please feedback using comment. Thank you all of you. Have a good day.